Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your statistical analysis with Minitab, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Minitab application on your computer. Once Minitab is open, navigate to the project you want to reset. If you want to start fresh, you can simply close the current project. To do this, go to the File menu in the top left corner of the screen. Select Close Project from the drop-down options. If prompted to save changes, choose whether to save or discard your work. Next, create a new project by clicking on File again. This time, select New Project. You will now see a blank workspace ready for your analysis. To set up your data, import it by going to the File menu once more. Choose Open Worksheet to browse your computer for the data file. Once you find your file, click on it and then select Open. Your data will now populate the worksheet in Minitab. After you've confirmed your data is correct, you can reset any analysis settings. Go to the Stat menu at the top. From there, choose Reset to clear any previous analysis parameters. This will ensure that you can start new analyses without previous settings interfering. Now, adjust any settings based on your new analysis goals. You can choose various statistical tests under the Stat menu as needed. Remember to save your project frequently to avoid data loss. When you finish your analysis, you can save your project by clicking File and then Save Project. Finally, review your output and ensure everything is set for your next steps. You have successfully reset your statistical analysis in Minitab. Now you are ready to conduct new analyses effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.